Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and we just got this bag. We got it as a pet carrier. We got it as a cat carrier. I want to say it correctly. This is what we bought it for, a cat. So Petco had a good sale, so I got it at Petco for 25% off, which was great. I don't know if they're gonna have 25% off by the time I put this video up, but I did get it for 25% off. They call it this. It's called a guaranteed onboard flight. I don't know whatever that means. I know what that means, but you know what I'm talking about. I guess for the airlines. So it's called the Sherpa Travel with Peace in Mind. It's for 16 pounds. This is a medium. It's 11 inches by 10.5 by 15. So we got this for a cat, is what we got it for. This is what the inside looks like, so you guys can see the specs. And I'll scan it up like this really slowly, so you can at least see some of it. Can you guys see it? Sorry, I'm just trying to... That's it. So that's all you're going to get. So that's it. So see it, you can see that, if not, whatever. And then let's pull this out. See what it looks like. It says we have to assemble. So all it does is pull out and go like this, pretty much. That's it. That's all it does. So we're going to open up this. This is definitely pleather right here. I mean, I don't know if you could see that in the camera, but can you see that in the camera? Is it high enough? Yeah, it's high enough. Definitely high enough. Look at that. So yeah, this is pleather right here, but hey, it's still pretty cool. It feels like leather, but it's fake. So this has the top and the front load, so you can load from the front and have them go in here. Oh, there's more paperwork. Look at this in here. There's more paperwork. So, travel pet carrier, Sherpa, more stuff about being on board, okay. You get a 1-year warranty, it says. This says that you get a 1-year warranty right here. See? That's what it says, 1-year warranty. So, I mean, that's what they're saying. So, let's put this over here. Alright, so we also got the strap. The strap is in here as well. Let's open up this strap, and then I'm going to show what it looks like on me so you guys can see. Here's the strap right here. Comes with a rubber little shoulder pad, I guess you can call it. A shoulder pad right here. So it must go like this or something like that somehow. We'll see what it looks like in a second. So there's nothing else in here. That's it. So this is the bottom of it. It's like a little Sherpa, which is pretty soft, pretty cool. So we can zip that up. Okay. And then there's the top part right here. This is the top, so you can put your animal, cat, whatever, dog, little dog, I guess, whatever, in from the top. So see? So you can open up like this, and that'll be the top. So that's kind of what it looks like from the top, and what it looks like over here. So we're gonna I'm gonna zip this closed, and that's kind of what it looks like. So that's about it. I'm going to put this on too as well. Let's put the shoulder strap on, see what it looks like with the shoulder strap. So the shoulder strap does cover the door in the front. So if you have the shoulder strap on, the door has to stay shut pretty much. You can't lay this down and open it up with the shoulder strap. I don't think so. Let's see what it looks like if you open it up with the shoulder strap real quick. Let's see. You could, but it's kind of annoying. But yeah, I guess you could still open it. It's just kind of annoying. It's not, you know. So it does come on here, just to let you guys know. So that's kind of what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like while I'm holding it. I'm going to put it over here. And then you guys can take a good look at what it looks like. So if you hold it, this is kind of what it's going to look like as you're holding it right here, just like this with the handle. That's what it's going to look like. It feels okay. I mean, it's sturdy enough. It had very good reviews. That's the reason why we got it. So let's see what it feels like with a cat in there. And then the strap is like this. It is supposed to go, what, this way, I think. And then the shoulder strap goes this way. So it kind of goes like this, the shoulder strap like this. So you can have the shoulder strap, but hopefully you could see that. You can make this different sizes, of course, and make this a little bit bigger or shorter, depending on, you know, what your take is. So I made this a little bit longer. So now it's a little bit longer. So if you make it, you can make this a little bit longer, and then it'll be like this. So hopefully you could see that, and that's what it'll be like from the side. So that's it for that. That's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. I'm pretty much done with that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, join me, subscribe to my channel, and join me on my review adventures as I put everything up and try to review stuff to help everybody out and see what's going on. And that's pretty much what I do, and help you guys make decisions on what you want and stuff like that. So, yeah, let me know if you guys like it, or if you have this, or if you have any comments, post them down if you already own it, which would be cool, and let other people know about it, because I haven't used it yet. I just got it today, so this is kind of just a review of it today, of unboxing, not an updated review, which I'll do later on down the road as we use it, and that's it. So I'm out. Everyone have a good one. Enjoy. Bye-bye, everybody.